Hi everyone, today we will be doing cupcakes. We could give the pretzels a rest a little bit. One of the reasons why I started baking and became a baker was because I liked a lot of different colors and mixing them, and I just thought they were very pretty. So today I mixed a whole lot of different colors for you guys. You can choose whichever one you want. You guys will be split up into groups, and you can share your colors. The design we're doing today is kind of like a mermaid design, but it's just a pretty photo. So this is the cake that inspired me to, pretty much make the colors for you guys, and I thought you would like it. So here are the different colors and probably the different patterns that you would want to use. I'm just showing that you could do any pattern you want in your group. So it will be 2 children to 1 tub of buttercream. So 2 children to 1 tub of buttercream and 1 piping bag for 1 tub of buttercream. So what's going to happen is it's going to be 6 children per 3 buttercream. So 2 4 6, 2 4 6, 2 4 6, 2 4 6. And this is, you're going to have 3 different piping bags, so for the 3 different colors. So you just need 3 piping bags for the 3 colors that you chose in your group. So like this. So if you want pink, blue, and yellow, you're just going to put the pink in one, the blue in one, the yellow in the other. So these are the colors I decided because I like pastel colors. But again, you don't have to use these colors because you guys have red and purple as well. And what you're going to do is you're just going to take your piping bag, snip the bottom of it, kind of like the silver tip, but definitely not as small as your pretzel. So just a nice little snip, not too big, just a medium-sized snip, kind of like to make a triangle, like a regular triangle, just snip there. Yep, just to make a small circle. See that triangle and snip, just like that. And you're just going to push it up. So each piping bag so 2 students is going to have a pink, 2 students will have a blue, 2 students will have a yellow. But you guys are going to switch piping bags. So you would need a spoon. Sorry, I forgot about that. For this technique, you're going to push down, and you don't really have to pull up. You're going to slide it. You're going to push down and slide, and then you're going to take your spoon. You're going to swipe it, and then if it gets a little messy, that's what the paper towel is for. So you guys are going to need paper towel, tissue, something to wipe your spoon. So you're going to push down and slide it. You're going to take your spoon and just slide it. Use the back of your spoon to slide the bottom. So again, this is 1 student with their 1 color. So at the same time, whoever has a blue could do the same. Whoever has a red could do the same as the same time everyone else is doing theirs. And that's all you're going to do. You're going to push down, swipe, take your spoon. See, so is a blob on there. I just wiped it on the napkin to clean it up, and then I'm going to swipe to make a clean finish. So that is 1 color. So when that is done, that person with the 1 color is going to give it to their partner, and they're going to do their own. Then you're going to take another color from somebody in your group, and you're going to do the same. You're going to push down in the middle. You're going to wipe the pink off or whatever color you have onto your napkin, and you're going to clean it and then swipe down. Take it again. You're going to push down. Now, where you're doing it is where you swipe. So where you're pushing down is where you swipe. So the end of your swipe, not on top. Sorry, that one you couldn't see. But you would push down, take your spoon, wipe it off if there's any on there to clean it, and then swipe down. So it will be 3 from your first color, and then 4 from the second color that you choose, and then 3 again from the next color that you choose. So again, you're going to be in groups of 6. You're going to have 3 colors in your group. And there goes your second color from whatever friend partner that you had. And then you're going to switch again and take another color. So this is your third color, and you're going to do 3 swipes. So you're going to go 1, take your spoon, clean it off, and then swipe. Just like this. So now while you're doing that, the person that originally had your first color, so like the person with the pink would start on theirs as well. So not everybody's going to have the same color scheme. So it's going to look really pretty at the end. And then again, you push down at the end. Take your spoons, wipe it off. So it's clean and neat. And then you're going to swipe the bottom. I did a 4th one just to clean it off, to not have a piece of the cupcake. And there goes your design. So again, everyone is going to have a different one. You could do the pink, then the blue, then the yellow, or whichever one you want. So I just decided to add the purple because I had some left over. And I'm just going to do these colors here. There's also red, so you can choose that as well. I'm just going to show you what it looks like pretty much with a different color. Like I said, everyone's color is going to be different. You could do the same if you like, but they're all going to be pretty much different. So here we go. You're just going to push down. So I started with the yellow this time, and I'm going to swipe. And we're just going to keep doing it. So at the end of that swipe, you're going to push down again. And swipe. You're going to push down. And, well, clean your spoon first and then swipe. So you see you reach the edge. You don't need a 4th line. Now I'm going to use the purple. And same thing. You're going to start at the edge of your cupcake. You're going to push down. And clean it off, because if you don't clean it off, you're going to have a blob of yellow on top of the purple. And I mean, depending on what your color scheme is, it could actually be a good thing, but we're just not going to do that right now. So there goes your swiping, and we're going to push down again. As you can see, it's very time consuming, but it comes out pretty. I like it. See, you see how it's kind of curled at the end. If you would have swiped it, it would have gotten to the yellow. So you would have to wipe it first. And there goes your purple. And now we're going to use a pink. And you're just going to push down and swipe. I'm still trying to clean this spoon off, but that's okay. And you're going to swipe the pink. You push down. Everyone should definitely have a spoon. I put enough spoons for all the students. So you should be able to have your own spoon. You guys are going to need paper towel, though. I figured you just get it from the bathroom or something. And there you go, swipe down. So now you see how it reached the edge. I do not need another one. So, and there goes your other colors. And then you could just clean up. And there it goes. Those are your 2 mermaid looking scaled cupcakes. Have a good one, guys.